If you're a real estate agent and you're still doing your business the old way, doing door knocking, cold calling, and trying to send out mailers, AI isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your clients. And let me show you in this video today what I am doing to integrate AI into my own real estate business to stay ahead of the curve. If this is your first time here, my name is William. I am an agent out of Austin area, and in this video, I'll show you how AI is changing the way I do business and how I'm growing my business because of AI, and what you should be doing today to start integrating AI into your business and start growing it like never before. All right, let's get started. So I personally got involved with AI because I come from a technology background, come from the tech sector, and I'm just so surprised every single day, every single second. There are just brand new AI companies that's changing the way every industry out there is doing business, and I'm personally seeing a lot of benefits of integrating AI into my own business. So one thing I do want to mention is that I run a free AI for Realtor community, and I just launched my first course where I teach you how to create 30 days of real estate content on your Instagram in just 30 minutes. So because of AI, I can now use AI to script. I can use AI to help me come up with content ideas, to help me then edit the entire videos. So, and I can schedule the post, and basically in 30 minutes, I created 30 days of real estate content. So if you're interested in this course, you can definitely access it in my Real Estate AI Society using the link down below. All right, and now let's get started with the actual video. The AI revolution in real estate, you need to stay focused, right? There are a lot of noise out there, and I think that because how powerful and how fast AI is developing, there are gonna be distractions. And the best way I've discovered in order to help using AI in my business is to start slowly adding that into my daily habit. Right? Now, every single day I'm on ChatGPT. I'm talking to my assistant GPT. I'm talking to my custom GPT. I'm using it in every way possible. So I'm integrating that slowly into my business. And I also build out different automations. AI is not just about talking to ChatGPT, it's also about AI automation. Because an AI can act like a human, can act like an employee for you, you want to automate that process so you're only serving as a manager, not as a employee, also just working on that same thing over and over again using AI, right? You want to automate that process. So right now, this thing right here, AI replaces your entire marketing. You can practically replace 80% of your real estate marketing, absolutely for sure. If you want to create design using graphics, you can use tools like Gamma.app. I done a video before. You can check it out in my playlist. You can use ChatGPT to generate images, which isn't that good. I talk about that in some of my videos. But you can also use AI to create your entire video content as well, which I did a video last time to show you how I use my AI avatar to film the video for me and talk to me and talk for me in the content creation process, right? And this one is very, very simple. If you want something that's so simple, so straightforward, ChatGPT writing your listing description in 60 seconds, absolutely. So this is one of the ways you can integrate AI into your business, and I think there are absolutely different levels to it, to the AI revolution in real estate. So in this video, I'm going to talk about, or in this presentation, I'm going to break down how AI is going to change the real estate industry, especially for us agents, and how we can prepare for this big shift that's coming, that's already here, to be honest. And I think a lot of people are just sleeping on it because it's somewhat of a slow market. And AI is already here. And to me, there are a couple levels of using AI. The level one is that you're talking to ChatGPT, you're talking to the big LLMs out there where you can basically use AI as a chatbot, like a mentor type of thing. I think that's like the most fundamental way, the basic way to use AI. If you're not using AI at all, this is the best way to get started and integrating that into your workflow. But the second level, the level two, if you want to go intermediate, you want to start using AI powered tools, right? These things are like AI editor, how you're using AI tools out there, learning how to use AI editors to edit your videos. I went go over that in my course right here. You can use in my course right here, 30 days of content in 30 minutes. I go over how to use some of the best AI editing tools out there to edit your short form videos, and how you can edit your long form videos as well using some of the tools out there. So you can definitely check it out in my community. And there are some other AI power tools. For example, I created, this goes into the level 3 a little bit, using AI automation. So in my previous videos, I've done things like how to automate my entire Facebook content every single day. So I'm posting daily content. I can also automate my Instagram content as well, where I'm posting the Instagram real estate related Instagram content to stay top of mind with my followers and grow my following and grow my business, right? But I also built an AI voice bot where whenever a cold lead comes in from my Facebook ad, it automatically reaches out to them and give them a call. And if they get on the phone, then they'll try to schedule a call with them, basically doing pre-qualifying for me. And in the future videos, I'm going to show you how I'm going to build out the texting bot, how to do a FISBO bot, how to do a follow-up bot to make sure these things are done automatically, where I can just show up to my appointments and show up to my closings. Because these two things in my real estate business are the two hardest part to replace, right? I still need to show up to show homes to people. I need to show up to showing appointments, but and I need to show up to help them do in-person closing and things like that, right? So those are the things I want to focus on. While the rest of it, where the lead generation, creating content, I want to automate that as much as possible. The second part, the lead nurturing, the lead follow-up, I want to automate that as much as possible. And then I want to eventually just show up for Zoom calls and show up for in-person closings and things like that. So those are the things that I want to focus on, and I want to navigate my business shifting towards that, while the rest of it I want to be automated, completely automated, right? And the buyers and sellers there, I think personally they are pretty lacking behind in terms of how to use real estate or AI in their real estate if they want to do transactions themselves. I think that as agents, we need to first be the ones to start using AI into our business, so that we can help our clients understand how AI can help them, right? All right, the real threat, losing your business to other agents. Because to be honest, I think real estate is one of the most trust-involved businesses out there. And I don't think AI will completely replace real estate agents, but you will replace a lot of the process that real estate agents go through. Here's what I mean, right? Like I mentioned before, we know that in order to grow our business, we need to do a lot of the top level lead generation, where we're creating content, where we're running ads, where we're then following up, nurturing those leads using CRM automations, sending emails, sending texts, sending calls, sending video calls, sending videos to these people, right? But if you can automate these top two parts and just focus on showing up for appointments and showing up for the closing and closing the deals, then you can focus a lot of your energy into actually better servicing your clients. I think a lot of real estate agents, we know how difficult it is to start our business, to run our business, because we have to run and focus a lot on the top of funnel and convert that and nurture them and eventually bring them down to our pipeline, right? So other agents who are automating the top two part of their business, they can now auto-generate social media posts. I've done that already in my previous videos to show you how to do that using on Facebook and on Instagram to create real estate related content. You can also create market update videos to show you that your authority in the market. AI follow-up systems, this is an absolutely amazing tool. I think that this one will basically replace 50% of the nurturing work that a lot of us doing right now with the cold leads follow up, right? So this is a very, very important tool. It takes some time to improve this, to make this fully production level, but I think we're showing great promise. And if you ever said, I don't have time for marketing, AI literally eliminated that excuse. Even if you're not using AI, like I mentioned before, you still should be in level 2, right? Using AI power tools. This means that if you don't want to completely automate your content creation process, you still want to be there in person filming videos, you can absolutely use AI to script your video, because they script much better. They write better than I do, right? And then you want to use AI to edit your videos, right? You want to do the rough cut. You want to do the rough cuts. You don't want to do the cuts yourself. You don't want to hire a full-time editor to do that, right? Even if you do have a full-time editor, you say, hey, here's AI just giving you less work to do. So can we lower your price? That's how I'm running it with my editor, where I give him a much easier cut, easier way to do his work. So we worked out a deal where now per video, he charges much less compared to before, because how AI is already helping him do a lot of that work. And the next thing is that how top agents are already using AI. As we mentioned before, AI are handling setting up appointments and doing pre-qualifications for new leads coming in. They're also doing automated follow-ups. This, I think, is basically the same as CRM, where your CRM sending out emails and texts. But the way you can level that up is for every single ad that you run, you will create a funnel automatically where the emails are personalized to this particular person and the text is personalized to this particular person in this ad, right? So now the voice agent will give them a call from time to time to follow up to see where they are in terms of their buyer's journey or seller's journey, or in terms of when they want to move forward with potentially start seeing homes. And then you can also create, the next level is that instant content creation. As we mentioned before, I think in other videos I talked about, from my personal experience, I see that the leads that come in from my organic social media videos, they convert at a 5 to 10 times higher conversion rate compared to the leads that's coming in from my Facebook videos, right? And the best thing about my social media videos, organic social media videos, they are technically free because I'm just using my own time to create those videos. I learned the editing skills, I learned the video talking skills, the scripting skills, and I know how to create engaging content. So that's basically I can do that for free. Well, every single thing else that I like advertising, I need to run Facebook ads, that takes money, that costs me money. Google pay-per-click ads, that costs me money as well. Any other things that's not for my social media organic content, that they actually cost me money, and I cannot spend more time on it to make it run better, right? So it doesn't work that way. So I think social media is a great way for any new agent, for any experienced agent to grow your real estate business, because you just find so much momentum once you have the machine built up. And I think having a great YouTube channel, social media following is one of your biggest assets in your real estate business. I use AI to write scripts, generate video content, which, by the way, scripts and generating video content, I talk about that. You can access my custom GPT that writes scripts for you. Let me see it right here. You in the course, you'll get access to the Notion content calendar to show you how to actually plan out your monthly, not daily, your monthly content schedule. You will talk about how to actually write script and how to use AI to write script. So this is great. You can use that right here. This is the custom real estate content coach GPT that will write script for you, that will actually write engaging hook for you for your real estate content, so you can make the best, highest quality content with just a simple click of a button, right? And I think in the future, you cannot ignore AI. This is one of the biggest waves since the internet bubble, since the internet age. And I think that if you want to really grow a business without feeling stuck or burned out and lose market share to other agents, you need to start integrating AI slowly. Remember the levels we talked about. Level 1, start using ChatGPT. Level 2, start learning AI powered tools. And level 3, start using AI automation. In this channel, we talk about all of that. We also talk about that in detail in my free community that you can join right here. You can access right here. Just join my community using the link down below. It's free. You can slowly integrating AI into your business so you will not feel like you're being left behind. And I think for new agents out there, this is even better for you because you have no idea how to do real estate. But then if you join the community, if you subscribe to the channel and keep watching my videos, you will know, oh, here's how I can do lead generation. Here's how I can do lead follow-up, but using AI as my primary way of doing business. And so you'll be much more prepared compared to other real estate agents that's trying to learn later down the line. If you can dabble in AI, you will confuse yourself and waste your valuable time. So you want to join a group, you want to join a community where we share the most valuable, most taken or tested method of using AI to generate business. So, and AI automation, I'm going to say it again, it's going to achieve the most leverage and help you dominate the market. Imagine a real estate agent spending a day to create one piece of content and they post maybe 3 times or like twice a week. But now, because you have the power of AI, you're posting one content every half a day. You're posting 60 pieces of content every month. Isn't that incredible? That's absolutely incredible. And it's absolutely possible. You can check it out in my course down here. One more time, it's a 30-day content in 30 minutes. You can access it in my free community. So I'm excited. I'm super excited about AI in real estate. I cannot wait to show you more of what AI is capable of in my videos. So subscribe to the channel. If you want to check out some previous video, you can check out here.